Okay, hey guys, what's up? It's Pseudo Pluto here, and this is kind of a silly video to make for me because, it's gonna be short, it's gonna be sweet, and it's kind of obvious. But considering my keyboard video or videos is one of the better videos that I made performance-wise, I thought I'd just make a really quick guide on how to buy some knockoff keycaps from Aliexpress. So what you want to do is you want to find which one you want. Let's say we want GMK bento, right? So what you do is you go to Aliexpress, you get rid of this, and all you have to do is go in here and type in PBT GMK, and you already see like you get PBT GMK clone, honor, right? That's a popular one. You just type in bento, right? And you see what comes up. We get all this. All you have to do is sort by orders. Bam. Okay, you have so many options to choose from. 42 sold, 12 sold, 10 sold. Okay, so the way that you choose from this now, right, is you go for the most reviews. And so this one seems like the best option, but we'll also keep this one on standby, right? And what you can see is you can see this top brand positive feedback. You want to go for that top brand positive feedback. The store has been from July 14th, 2021, but this one is November 3rd, 2016, so this one's more trustworthy. Okay, and now what you want to do is you want to look at the pictures, make sure it's what you're looking for, and as we can see, if we open up bento, we can see it is pretty much what we're looking for. Not this one. See, this one looks a little bit sus in comparison. I would double check these pictures down here because especially with a knockoff, sometimes you'll find stuff that you're not looking for. Like some of the function keys and stuff will be weird. So this one looks pretty good. As we can see, we got the little chopsticks and squiggle line on our shift key. And where is that? Okay, the website's not loading. Here we go. See, we got the same exact thing. Same in novelties, right? Same exact thing here. Where is it? Right here. Okay, so if I wanted a knockoff GMK bento, I would just buy this one. And then you just click buy now and go through the process. Now look at the price difference. This one is $30 flat. This one is pick your kit. Let's do salmon novelties. $50, so you get to save a cool $20, and all you have to do is like wait for a month for this delivery to come. And yeah, hopefully you found that useful. Basically what you want to do is you want to type in your material type, so PBT, or we can even do ABS, and we'll see what comes up. AliExpress people only really do PBT, which is fine since I like PBT anyways. You just do the same thing by orders, so you don't get anything. You do PBT, so the material, then you do the brand, so like GMK, and then you do the model. So we can do Ava, right? Because Ava was the key cap set that I got because I really liked it a lot. You do by orders, right? This one has some other GMK clones as well. So we could try this one, 219, and then this one seems new. So we could try this one. And as you can see, we can select Ava, 01, and 0 key Japanese. See, this one is supposedly the GMK, but this looks different to the actual GMK set. If we look at this one seems a lot more legit, except for the clear bar. But as we can see, if we can scroll down, go through the other pictures, or here, gray, yeah, we actually get the solid purple bar. So if I wanted to knock off Ava or Unit 01 GMK keys with PBT, I would go for this one. And I'll link both of the sets in the description, since those are the two sets I like from GMK the most right now. But yeah, hope you enjoy. This is a really quick and easy video to make, but I hope you guys find it useful. Anyways, see you guys around. Pseudo Pluto out.